This is the third part to Kamikaze. Let me show you where we've gone to so far. Kamikaze, where we've gone to, we've hooked it in, we've went around, we've popped it up. From here, the next move is to drop the pointer finger on your throw hand off, and in one motion, you want to bring the yo-yo around your non-throw hand. Let me show you what it looks like. The reason it has to be one motion is otherwise it will stop and grab the string. So I drop my pointer and I swing it in one motion. And you're right back in a trapeze, actually. Let me show you one more time. Bring it up. You swing it around. This is where we were up to step 2. Step 3, you drop your pointer and swing the yo-yo over your non-throw hand like so. Okay? Once you get that, you're in trapeze. The next step is actually a magic drop. So go watch the magic drop video if you didn't already. From the magic drop you do, you then hit the string that's right above where you land on a magic drop. You land it right over here. Then you undo this, and since there's an extra kink here, it's going to hold on to you as you come around and hit it over here. Then you repeat where you were before, and you catch it back under this string. It's just a repetition of what you did, and then you undo it, and you land into here. Let me show you what the whole trick looks like. So you pop up, land behind, twist in, one motion, comes in, you go over, you come under, and then you land. That's Kamikaze. One more time. This one takes a lot of practice, but stick with it, you'll get it.